I'm Soph. I'm a chef, writer, and wellness advocate in Brooklyn, New York. Typically when I'm coming home, it's from a really long day. So I have a pretty thorough kind of wind down nighttime ritual, throwing down my jacket, throwing down my bags, hopping in the shower. Skin health is just as close to body health as mental health. My routine or my nighttime ritual has been really beneficial, not just for my skin, but also my spirit as well. My self-care routine at night to kind of sit, I've got my book, I've got my tea, I've got my popcorn because I'm always eating popcorn, and to do my skincare routine kind of when I'm already feeling myself wind down. I don't do my skincare in front of a mirror. Mirrors just enable me to fixate on imperfections, and that's really not what skincare is about. It's really more about what you feel like. So we are gonna do my nighttime skincare. So skin is already washed, cleaned, prepped. First step, we're gonna use these resurfacing pads. Now these are exfoliating, but they're really gentle. I used to be terrified to exfoliate my skin because I used to have the worst paraoral dermatitis, but these are so gentle you can use them day or night. So after that, we're gonna go in with the serum. This is basically all you need to armor yourself against pollution. I'm a New Yorker, I've lived in New York a long time. We got plenty of pollution. This is a step you cannot skip. It basically makes you look super awake in the morning, AKA saves me from looking like the Crypt Keeper. Follow up with our overnight matrix. This formula is really creamy. And I like using this because it's almost like a way for me to kind of massage my face at night. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching me do my nighttime skincare routine. I'm exhausted, but I love you. Have a great night.